Hi and welcome to our ISO/IEC 17025 training. In lab work, there is a very important rule called ISO/IEC 17025. It is used all over the world to show that labs can do tests and checks the right way. One of the most important parts of this rule is in section 4.0, General Requirements. It talks about two big ideas: being fair and keeping information private. If a lab doesn't follow these rules, it can get into trouble during audits. Sub-clause 4.1, Impartiality. What it means. Clause 4.1 demands that laboratories operate free from any undue influence, whether it's internal bias, external pressure, or conflict of interest. Impartiality ensures that test results are accurate and objective. Key requirements. Lab activities must be structured to maintain impartiality. Risks to impartiality must be identified on an ongoing basis. Actions must be taken to eliminate or minimize risks. Common NCs. No impartiality risk assessment conducted. Staff unaware of what constitutes a conflict of interest. Lack of documented policies on impartiality. Personnel assigned to roles where objectivity could be compromised. Example: a lab supervisor involved in both marketing and test result approval presents a clear conflict. If impartiality risks aren't identified and controlled, the lab may face a major NC during audit. Sub-clause 4.2, Confidentiality. What it means. Clause 4.2 ensures that all customer data, methods, test results, and proprietary information are treated with strict confidentiality. Key requirements. Laboratory personnel must be committed to confidentiality. Information must not be disclosed without customer consent. Data protection measures must be in place. Common NCs. No signed confidentiality agreements from staff. Confidential documents stored in open shared folders. No procedures defining how confidential info is handled. Uncontrolled access to sensitive electronic or physical records. Example: a technician shares a customer's test report with an external party for technical review without proper consent. This could lead to serious customer trust issues and an NC under Clause 4.2. How to prevent NCs for Clause 4.0. Here's what you can do proactively. Impartiality. Conduct regular risk assessments, train staff, document decisions. Confidentiality. Implement access control, use secure storage, have staff sign NDAs. Awareness. Regular training and reminders about policies. Auditing. Include Clause 4 checks in internal audits. Corrective action tips. If you receive a non-conformity, follow this structure. Describe the problem clearly. Investigate the root cause. Take immediate action. Implement preventive measures. Document everything. That's the end of our training on Clause 4.0 of ISO/IEC 17025, 2017. Always remember, being fair and keeping information private is not just for show. It is very important for trust and good quality in any lab. Thank you for watching. If you are doing the full training, we'll meet again in the next part. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments or contact us. Are you ready to optimize your lab operations and mitigate risks? OptiTrail's laboratory benchmarking assurance and evaluation services provide comprehensive solutions tailored to elevate your lab's performance. Our experts will assess your lab infrastructure, implement ISO/IEC 17025 standards, and deliver bespoke solutions for maximum productivity and compliance. Assurance solutions include laboratory layout optimization, ISO IC 17025 implementation, technical competency training, equipment validation, quality engineers training, outsourcing and more. Take your laboratory to the next level with our expert solutions. Send us a request by email or via WhatsApp.